saying, yeah, I think maybe thick. You know, we like it thick. So we just cut it there, and we might want to cut that in two. So we're gonna cut that in two. You know, so, you know what? I don't think we're gonna use the tomatoes. Maybe we'll just put the tomato on, and then we're not gonna use any more tomatoes. We're gonna. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and welcome back to my channel. So today, we're gonna be making a little sandwich. You know, we're gonna be chefing up in the kitchen. We're going to be making a simple cheese and tomato and mayo sandwich right here. Clearly, I like to hold my knives upside down all the time. You know, it's just a little thing. Oh, you know, I'm always just switching it up. But yeah, let's just hop right on into it. I want you guys to rate my sandwich when it's done. So yeah, we're gonna, you know, just put our knife down and grab the bread and open it and stuff. You know, we speedy around here. We real speedy. I don't really like bread buck, so I like, you know, like the first. Yeah, you just throw that away. I just like the first two that's right behind. Yeah, those. There we go. Two. Yay! We put them in the plate. Yeah. Yeah, put that one over there. So, and we're gonna grab our cheese. So we're gonna put like the first, actually no, we're gonna get a first layer of mayo. So, you know, sometimes my hands will tell me that I don't like mayo, but I do like mayo. So we're just gonna open that on up. We're gonna put our knife down in there, scrape a nice little amount. You know, sometimes I grab a lesser amount at first and then I go in and add more. Yeah, we just slap that on there. And then we're just gonna get some more. You're right on. We're gonna get some more. We're gonna get some more. Yeah, just go right on it. Yeah. Yeah. Go back on our bread here. We love mayo. We love mayo. We're just gonna slap that on there. This might have been too much, but it's okay. We're gonna eat it anyway. Can we, you know, spread it? Can we spread it? You know, no more. We don't want any more mayo. Just spread it evenly. You know, I don't know. Sometimes I'm a little bit clumsy and I like it clumpy, obviously. I don't know why. Yeah, we're just slapping that on there, and we're just gonna tap off the excess. That's it. We're gonna cover it back on up. Sometimes we struggle to put the cover back on. But we got it. We got this. So now we're gonna put on our first layer of cheese, which is right on over here. Yeah, because we got 2 layers of cheese going on. I don't know why I threw the tomato so far away, knowing that I'm gonna need it. But you know, we're just take a look at time and open the cheese. Yeah. We're so gentle. Yeah, we got that. It missed the plate completely, it missed the bread completely. We just gonna take that on up and slap it right back on the bread like we always do. And then we're gonna drop the other one. We might have to pick that one up, you know, pick the cheese up. Yeah, we're back. There we go. I mean, I think we're gonna need that tomato. So let's just get the tomato. You know, we're gonna have to reach real far. Yep, there we go. There we go, we got a tomato. And we're gonna cut it. We're gonna take our little knife, you know, cut it. But be careful not to cut the cheese wrapper, you know. Get that on out of here. Yeah. So now we're just gonna cut our tomato, maybe a little thinner, you know, just saying, yeah, I think maybe thick. You know, we like it thick. So we just cut it there, and we might want to cut that in 2. So we're gonna cut that in 2. You know, so, you know what? I don't think we're gonna use the tomatoes. Maybe we'll just put the tomato on, and then we're not gonna use any more tomatoes. We're gonna put the knife down, and we're gonna put the bread on top. Yeah, I don't think we need another layer of anything. We're just gonna, oh yeah, I forgot the cheese. Totally forgot the cheese. So we're just gonna open that on up. You know, sometimes it takes me a while to open the cheese, you know, knowing that the opening part is on the other side. So we just flipped it over and we got it. We got it. We can do this. We can do this, guys. So we're just gonna slap that on there. And we're gonna, you know, grab the rest was stuck in the wrapper and make sure now it's not dash away. Yeah, fling that way, get back with bread. Yeah, and put that right on top. Yes. Okay, and I guess, no, just flip it the other way. Let's flip it the other way, yeah. But no, I think I want to flip it the other way. No, my hand's always giving me stuff I don't. No, not that way. My hands are so funny. I'm doing a plane. That's amazing. So good. No, I don't really think I want another. Okay. So good, great. I love it so much. Oh my God. Greatest sandwich ever. No, I think I need a dragon. You know, let's get that out of the fridge. So we just gonna shimmy on over here, get that out the fridge. You know, yeah, and it's right in the corner. We just gonna close the fridge. Just grab on to the top right there, close it, and then we gonna shimmy on. Oh, we need the opener. We need an opener. Yep, so we're gonna open our dragon here, you know, take our, there we go. So smart. So now we just gonna drink some. I really love my dragon. You know, I think there's a little mayo on the side of my mouth. I just want to wipe that off. You know, anytime. My hands seem to be lagging, you know. My hands seem to be, I said I need to wipe my mouth. And you give it, I think my hands just want me to do it. Yummy. Yeah. No, I'm good. I think my lunch is finished now. So we're gonna just go on upstairs, and I think I want to write my dad a letter. So we're just gonna go upstairs, get some pen, get some paper. So we'll meet you guys on up there, okay? Okay, great. None of that, yeah. Yeah, and that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mwah! Mwah. Kisses, kisses, kisses! Mwah! Bye.